Welcome. Thank you for choosing us as your healthcare partner. We want to make sure your benefits are as easy to understand as possible. When you have a Medicare Advantage plan, you receive documents related to your health plan coverage and benefits. In this video, we will explain what these documents are and where you can find important plan information. Understanding your plan and benefits is key to making smart healthcare decisions. Let's get started. Welcome Kit and Welcome Back Kit. You will receive a Welcome or Welcome Back Kit after your health plan enrollment has been confirmed. This is your first look at your plan and benefits for the plan year. The Welcome and Welcome Back Kit give an overview of your dental, vision, and hearing benefits, pharmacy benefits, and additional benefits such as telehealth, fitness, and 24/7 nurse line. It also has helpful how-tos to make using your plan as easy as possible. This includes how to access your secure member portal, how to set up mail-order pharmacy, how to pay your premium, and how to use your coverage. Save this booklet because we only send it to you once a year. You can use it when you have questions about your plan and benefits. This document is mailed to you at the beginning of each plan year or before your plan's effective date. Summary of Benefits. Your Summary of Benefits is a guide that explains your plan's benefits, the services that your plan covers. This document breaks down each benefit included in your plan. It explains what is covered, how many visits are included, copay amounts, if applicable to your plan, and more. You can refer to this document when you have a question about a specific benefit or how much something might cost. To find your Summary of Benefits, log in to your secure member portal. You can also contact member services at the phone number on the back of your member ID card. TTY users dial 711. We can answer your questions about specific benefits and costs. From October 1st to March 31st, we are available every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. From April 1st to September 30th, we are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Evidence of Coverage. Your Evidence of Coverage, or EOC, also called the Member Handbook, explains your plan in even greater detail. It explains what is covered and what you pay as a member of the plan. It's a legal document that provides full, complete information about how your Medicare plan works. You can refer to this document if you need more information that wasn't in your Summary of Benefits. We mail your EOC in the fall before the next plan year begins. To find your Summary of Benefits or Evidence of Coverage, log into your secure member portal or give us a call. These documents are very long, and our team can help you answer questions about specific benefits and costs if you need help. Explanation of Benefits. An Explanation of Benefits, or EOB, is sent to you after you visit the doctor, receive medical care, or use your prescription benefits. It breaks down the costs that the doctor billed to the health plan, how much the health plan paid, and any costs you may need to pay. The doctor, medical facility, or pharmacy you visited mails you the Explanation of Benefits. It is not a bill, but it is sometimes mistaken for a bill because of the cost breakdown. It's important to read your Explanation of Benefits to make sure that everything is correct. Give us a call if you notice any doctor names you don't recognize, incorrect appointment dates, a service listed that you did not receive, or costs that seem unusually high. Keep your Explanation of Benefits for your records. You can reference this document to track how much you have paid towards your deductible and maximum out-of-pocket costs. Formulary, also called your drug list. Your formulary is a list of prescription drugs covered by your plan. It is also called a drug list. You can use the drug list to see what drugs are covered by your plan and what medications may require prior authorization. It also outlines the cost tier for each medication. If you need a copy, log into your secure member portal or contact member services. Member ID card. Your member ID card is the key to getting the care you need. You will need to show your ID card whenever you visit a pharmacy, doctor's office, hospital, or clinic. Your member ID card lets your provider know how to bill your health plan. You should carry your member ID card with you everywhere you go. If you are a dual member with Medicaid and Medicare coverage, also called a D-SNP plan, make sure to carry both member ID cards with you. You can also use your ID card to find important numbers, such as member services and 24/7 nurse line. Your member ID card is mailed to you before your plan's effective date. If you misplace your card, you can find a digital version of your card by logging into your secure member portal. Annual Notice of Change, or ANOC. In the fall, you will receive an Annual Notice of Change, or ANOC. This letter explains any changes to your health plan for the following plan year. This could include changes to your monthly premium, pharmacy network, or benefits. You should reference this document when reviewing plans for the upcoming year. If you need a new copy of your ANOC, log into your secure member portal or contact member services. Once you choose a plan for the upcoming year, you will receive your welcome materials. Your member ID card, welcome kit, and benefit snapshot should arrive prior to your effective date. If you renew your plan for the next year, you will receive a new member ID card for the new plan year. You will also get a welcome back kit and a benefit renewal guide. If you do not receive your materials, please contact us and we can send another set your way. If you need to find information about your plan, the best place to start is the member portal. Through the portal, you can access your member documents. The portal also has digital tools that can help you find information quickly, like your claims, benefit costs, and more. What if I never received a document? Can I request a new document? If you need a copy of a document, you can log into the member portal to view your documents or call member services for a mailed copy. How else can I get information about my plan? You can sign up to receive email and text updates from your health plan about your benefits, health reminders, and more. Log into the member portal. Under your profile, update your contact information and communication preferences. You can also opt in for text updates. If you signed up and aren't receiving email or text updates, give us a call. We can update your contact information so you receive future updates. We can also help if you have any benefit questions or need help with your documents. Call member services at the number listed on the back of your member ID card. TTY users dial 711. Thank you for choosing WellCare as your healthcare partner.